Hi everyone. So today we'll do a beautiful wall hanging with a paper, and we will write one shloka also in the center of that hanging, and around that we'll do some decoration with the papers. So for this we required one paper. It's a little bit thick paper, as you can see. This is the you can use Norway paper or super white paper. This one is the super white paper, A3 size. And one plate. I'm using one plate to draw a shape. Then we require this type of A4 size craft paper sheets. So colorful sheets. As you can see, this is from both the sides. This is colorful. And scissor and Fevicol. That's it. So let's start. First we'll draw one shape. So for the outer shape you can take any one shape, like a circle also you can take a regular square or rectangle also. So I have this beautiful shape designed plate, so I'm taking this one. Now we'll cut this shape. Okay, now keep it aside, and we required the shape, this one shape only. Now before writing the shloka, we'll mark some reference lines here with the help of scale and pencil, so that we can write it exactly in a center and all the letters should be in the same size. First add one line here, and then I'm adding half centimeter distance markings. Okay, so I have different sizes of calligraphy pen, as you can see, 1.02 and 3. So for this one is suitable. You can use the regular sketch pens also. If you don't have calligraphy pen, you can use the regular sketch pens also to write the shlokas. I will write Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And now we'll erase the reference lines. We'll add one hole here with the help of punching machine so that we can hang it on the wall. Okay, so try to put it exactly in the center. Now we'll do one peacock feather with the paper and we'll paste it on this side, right side or left side, we'll see. So first take a green paper, approximately we will take a size of 5 to 6 inches long feather according to my shape. So 5 to 6 inches is sufficient. So this is our the base shape of feather. We'll paste it here on this way, here or left or right, any one side you can choose. I think this is looking better. Now in the center we'll take a yellowish orange. I'm taking the size of an oval shape, so approx this size. Okay, so we'll mark it here and draw the shape. Okay, now The next step, just draw a circle on a blue color paper and cut it, and we'll paste it here. In the same way, draw this one shape. It should be purple. You can take a purple or dark blue. This shade will be darker than the previous one. Paste it on the bottom side of this shape. This way. Now we'll start with the flowers. For the flowers, we are using these two shades. A little bit lighter shade than this. This is a little bit bright shade, this green. So we'll balance with the light one. So I'm using light shades here. First, make a strips. Then fold this paper like a fan folding. Now I am drawing flower shape with a red marker, red sketch pen or marker you can use. Check the shape of petals. And now we'll cut it. Cut it in a proper way. This red outlining should be visible, so I'm cutting it outside the area of that red line. You can make the single flowers also, or in this way you can make the foldings first and then cut the flowers. And one more thing, do not make more than 2-3 folds, more than 3 to 4 folds, otherwise it will be difficult to cut it in a proper shape. Okay, now we have done with the cutting. See, in this way we'll get the 3 to 4 flowers at a time. Now I wanted this one outer line for all the flowers. Then once we done with the cutting, for the rest of the flowers we'll do the outline in this way. Now just fold each and every petal in this way on this point. Now put a Fevicol in the center of one flower and the second flower, paste it on the same. Now while pasting, just make sure that this this petal is coming in between these two. That's it. And we have done with a beautiful flower. So in this way we can prepare these different shades. So I've taken these two different shades. And we'll overlap it on this paper. Wow.